3, 2, 1, go. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we'd watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Janagana mana Adinayak jaya hai Bharat Vakya Vidada Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Banga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchala Jaladi Karanga Dab Shubhana He Jahe Dab Shubha Ashish Mahe Gahe Tab Jaya Gata Janagana Mangaladayak Jaya He Bharat Vakya Vidada Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He.
शामें मलंग सी रातें सुरंग सी बागी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए कल पे सवाल है जीना फिलहाल है खाना बदोशियों पे ही जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए
जो भी मेरा मेरा तेरा जो इकरार हुआ तो क्यों ना मैं भी कह दूं हुआ मुझे भी प्यार हुआ
तेरा होने लगा हूँ होने लगा हूँ जब से मिला हूँ तेरा होने लगा हूँ होने लगा हूँ
Left, left, up, ने की कहना की लेना सारी दुनिया भुला के आ नी अड़िए पानी दा रंग चढ़ा के आ जे आपां मिल जाइए भुल जाइए एक दूजे दा नाम नी अड़िए पानी दा रंग चढ़ा के आ रंग चढ़ा के आ मैं लुटिया गया नी तैनू प्यार करके दोवें बह गए नी अखां चार करके नी ऐदा कोई दिल ले जांदा नी मैं सुनिया कदे भी ना नी अड़िए पानी दा रंग चढ़ा के आ जे आपां मिल जाइए भुल जाइए एक दूजे दा नाम नी अड़िए पानी दा रंग चढ़ा के आ रंग चढ़ा के
मैं तेरी आंखों में उदासी कभी देख सकता नहीं तुझे खुश मैं रखूंगा सुने मैं तेरे होंठों पे खामोशी कभी देख सकता नहीं सारी बातें मैं सुनूंगा सुने तेरे दिल से ना कभी खेलूंगा सारे राज अपने मैं तुझको दे दूंगा मेरी जान तूने मुझको पागल है किया मेरा लगदा ना जिया तेरे बगैर तू मान मेरी जान मैं तुझे जाने ना दूंगा मैं तुझको अपनी बाहों में छुपा के रखूंगा तू मान मेरी जान मैं तुझे जाने ना दूंगा मैं तुझको अपनी आंखों में बसा के रखूंगा तू मान मेरी जान
We haven't even practiced dances. What about skit? We haven't practiced that either.
I don't even care anymore.
Hey guys!
रंगी सारी गुलाबी चुनरी
Mahi, the show's tomorrow.
Oh my god.
Guys, where's Beth? Beth, we have practice!
चलिया तेरी ओर तेरा चलिया है जोर
That's interesting. That's like crazy. There's so many in it. Guys!
Tomorrow we have the ICC show. We get it, Mahi.
Good job, guys.
अपना बना ले पिया अपना बना ले पिया
Jade, take attendance.
Okay. Wait, how do we these people?
Just figure it out.
Leah?
Here.
Oh.
एक बारिया
Guys, what are we doing for skit? I don't know. Wait, guys, I have an idea. Nikki, can I change the skit line? Nikki, what are we wearing for final catwalk?
Nikki, can I get Taco Bell? Yeah, Nikki, can you give me a ride home?
Nikki, when's the show?
Nikki, what's the show's name?
Nikki, I don't know my stuff. Nikki!
Taco Bell!
Nikki!
बदरंग में सतरंगा है ये इश्क रे तुम क्या मिले करना है तो प्यार कर
Shut up, not cheese, Allah and Allah matong ba dowry and nobody's living here to figure all this out. Are you writing all this?
Yes, sir.
Neha, what just happened? Is Ravi okay?
I don't know. That was weird. He just collapsed like a Bollywood hero.
Maybe he just saw the wedding bill.
But honestly, Anjali, I feel so bad for Priya. She must be so worried for Ravi right now, especially since it's their wedding reception.
Stand back, amateurs! Inspector Pappu is here.
Great entrance, Papu.
Relax, Pappu. This is a wedding, not a crime scene.
You see, I have a theory. It's not just about the fainting. Someone is behind this.
Who's the mastermind, Papu? The caterer or the wedding planner?
Sir, I think it was just the heat. No, Chintu, don't be stupid. It's not about the heat. It was a well-executed plan. I just have to connect the dots. Or maybe it was the wedding cake. It has too many layers, too many calories. It's sort of like the cookie crumble. It's really dangerous.
Are we seriously blaming the cake now, Chintu? It's a wedding. People get dizzy. It happens.
Or maybe he was just tired of seeing all the aunties' dance performances. That would do it for me.
Fine, laugh all you want, but I will uncover the real truth. Next time, Pappu, we will check the curry. That's where the real mystery is hiding.
You think someone spiked the curry, Chintu?
Yes, too much garam masala. Suspicious. All right, whatever it is, you guys are all accomplices. Meet me at Golu's Daba tomorrow.
जुल्फों से बांध लिए बादल, सीने पे से उड़ने लगा आंचल, मुझसे नैना मिला के मौसम होने लगे पागल, सबसे होके बेफिक्र नाचूं मैं आज छम 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 मैं नाचूं आज छम 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 छम
बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फट लावली बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फट लावली बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क मल्हारी खड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फट लावली Girls, 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 you know they wanna party all night. You know they wanna party till the sun comes up. You know they want it. Girls, 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 you know they wanna party all night. You know they wanna party till the sun comes up.
हर और मशहूर करे दुनिया का टूर तेरी स्टोरियां थक जाए सब चूर तेरी मस्ती खत्म नहीं होंदिया मैंने सुना है मुंबई दिल्ली दिया कुड़ियां रात भर नहीं सोंदिया मैंने सुना है मुंबई दिल्ली दिया कुड़ियां रात भर नहीं सोंदिया
बदमाशियां बोले अंकल आंटियां अपनी ऐसी यारियां दुनिया पे मिट्टी पाए सानू वेले कहंदे मज कहंदे रहंदे इन शाइनिंग शाइनिंग फ्यूचर साडा ब्राइट सी सानू वेले कहंदे मज कहंदे रहंदे ओए मित्रा दे संग सब कुछ ऑल राइट सी लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई देख तेरा रंग सावला हुआ बावला लड़की नहीं है तू गरम मामला बोलती बंद मुड़ी कहूँ क्या भला कुछ भी कहा नहीं जाए चेन्नई तो दिल्ली हिले है लंदन मटक मटक जैसे रवीना टंडन अग लगाने आई है बंटन गोली चल गई धाए नगरे विलाती ईगो में रहती नगरे विलाती ईगो में रहती टशन दिखाती फुल अब लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल
I saw you, Priya, at the wedding. You switched the glasses.
Anjali, keep your voice down.
What do you want me to do instead? Whisper? I saw you, Priya.
You don't understand. I had to do it.
What do you mean you had to?
What are you two whispering about?
Nothing.
Something here is fishy. Something here is fishy. All right, let's go over this again. Where was everyone before the incident?
Ravi and I were talking to our guests, being good hosts and all.
Anjali and I were busy taking pictures. Lots of selfies. We looked amazing, by the way.
Obviously.
Good. Then hand over the pictures. Maybe there's something in the background, something suspicious.
You think the murder photobombed us, Chintu?
Criminals are unpredictable.
I was handling food and catering, making sure everything was running smoothly.
Papu sir, am I allowed to get something to drink? No, Chintu, I'm in the middle of an investigation. Golu!
Hello everyone, my name is Golu and welcome to Golu Ka Dhaba.
Stop making conversation, Golu. I'm in the middle of an investigation.
Sorry, Inspector Papu, what can I get for you and these beautiful girls?
Do I look like a girl to you, Golu?
Yeah, and I'm married, you loser.
No, you were married.
Anya, how could you say that?
You always act like everything's about you.
My husband just died.
It doesn't matter.
Guys, stop. The faster we get this over with, the faster we can go home and pretend like none of this ever happened.
Anjali, you seem very suspicious. Are you hiding something?
Guys. Golu's been standing here for a while. Let's get him in order.
Okay, can I get an avocado toast on sourdough bread with a sprinkle of feta cheese?
Ma'am, sorry, but we only have a Amul dairy cheese.
Hey, bala matala anja. And one chat for me! Okay, so whoever planted the poison must have been close to the drinks. Anya, you oversaw the catering.
What are you implying?
Explain why you're handing a drink to Ravi in this picture.
What? We're friends. Why would I want to do that to him? He just asked me for a Shirley Temple and I gave it to him. I promise I didn't poison him. Also, in my defense, he had 10 that night.
Okay, we'll see about that. I'm going to head back to the crime scene. Until then, you guys better stay out of trouble. I know the murderer is in this room.
Guys, this is too stressful.
I know. Someone needs to throw a party.
Guys, that's so inconsiderate knowing that my husband just died.
Trust me, it'll help get your mind off things.
Okay, I guess.
Yeah, Anya, use your party planning skills or whatever.
Okay, guys, party at my house, but we need to make sure word doesn't reach Pappu, or more importantly, his chumcho Chintu.
Did someone say party?
Golu!
दिल डूबा नीली आंखों में
जाऊंगा इश्क में तेरे जीता हूँ तेरे लिए ही मर जाऊंगा रोकूं जितना उतनी बगावत हो लगता है ऐसा हाल दिल की तुम जरूरत हो
मुझको भी तू जरूरी डूबी नशे में पूरी तो कैसे ये तड़प लग गई मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई जमाना का ये लत ये गलत लग गई मुझे तो तेरी लत लग गई जमाना का ये लत ये गलत लग गई मुझे तो तेरी
इडियट हो तुम गधे हो अभी तुम्हें नॉलेज नहीं है हमसे पंगा लेने वाली अभी तुम्हारी एज नहीं है whatever we do पापा तो बैंड बजाएं पापा तो बैंड बजाएं पापा तो बैंड बजाएं पापा तो बैंड बजाएं
जीने के है 4 दिन बाकी है बेकार दिन जीने के है 4 दिन बाकी है बेकार दिन जाए 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 एक बार जो जाए जवान फिर ना आए जवानी फिर ना आए
कभी के दिल मेरे जुड़ गए रे लेकिन पर्दे से दिल उड़ गए रे कनेक्शन जुड़ गए रे लेकिन पर्दे से दिल उड़ गए रे तेरी क्लोज आके तेरी सांसों में समाऊं राजा तेरी क्लोज आके तेरी सांसों में समाऊं तेरी नींद चुरा लूं
रात का है अपना मजा आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा ओ इस रात का है अपना मजा आ यार मस्ती में तू झूम जा बैठा है क्या सीटी बजा लुंगी पकड़ के जरा घूम जा
ये डांस तेरा देख देख झटके लगे तेज तेज दिल सबका धक धक करे
रंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे रंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे तुमका मेरा एक्सीलेंट लगा रे मैं नाचा तो सबको करंट लगा रे
Hello. Priya, how are you feeling?
I feel weird. I just want to catch who did this.
But you know what's weird?
What?
Having so many exes at your wedding?
Calm down, Neha. It was just Bappu and Tommy with the weird mustache.
Tommy with the weird mustache?
It was a phase, okay? I have regrets.
But Bappu, Priya, I still can't believe you ever dated Bappu.
I know, but we're friends. Besides, his parents are arranging a marriage for him.
I just feel bad for the poor girl who's going to be Mrs. Pandey.
Guys, I'm kind of freaking out right now. Are you really gonna throw a party when there's a murderer on the loose?
Calm down, Anjali. They're just rumors.
I'd rather go home and watch a true crime than be in the true crime.
Okay, fine. We're gonna go and we'll be downstairs at the party. But Neha, you're coming with me.
But
I'm not
guys-
going alone.
Anya put a lot of work into this party.
It's okay. We'll just go downstairs and she's coming with me.
Priya, we need to get our story straight.
What do you mean?
Don't play dumb. Anjali told me everything. Ravi wasn't supposed to get that drink.
What drink?
Orange juice.
Yeah, orange juice. Just wanted to make sure everyone had their correct orange juice. Very important for hydration.
So you're telling me this has nothing to do with what happened to Ravi?
No.
Okay then.
Anya, whatever we say stays in this room.
Fine, but if I'm thrown under the bus, it won't take me long to open my mouth.
ఇంకేం కావాలే చాలే ఇది చాలే నీకై నువ్వే వచ్చి వాలావే ఇకపై తిరనాళ్ళే స్నేహమో ప్రేమమో ఈడిలా నేయమో పేరిలా మాయమో కేవియే సుఖమో
నా అసలు పోగేశా నీ గుండెకు అచ్చేసా నీ రకకు రంగం సిద్ధం చేశా ఎందుకు పుట్టిందో పుట్టింది నువ్వంటే ముచ్చట పుట్టింది పుడతాని నీ పిచ్చి పట్టింది నీ పేరు పెట్టింది వయ్యారం ఓడి కట్టింది గోరింట పెట్టింది స్వామికి ముక్కులు కట్టింది చుట్టమల్లే చుట్టేస్తాంది చుట్టేస్తాంది చుట్టమల్లే చుట్టేస్తాంది
బ్రదర్ ఆపమ్మా ఈ డిక్ చిక్ కాకుండా మన మ్యూజిక్ ఏమైనా ఉందా
నాగస్వరం ఊదుతుంటే నాకు పాముగినట్టు ఎంటావడి వస్తున్నా నీ పట్ట గొలుసు సప్పుడింటూ పట్టనట్టే తిరుగుతున్నవే ఓ సందమావ పక్కకు పోయి తొంగి చూస్తవే షెండెక్కురమావా రాములో రాములా నన్నాగం చేసింది రో రాములో రాములా నా పానం తీసింది రో రాములో రాములా నన్నాగం చేసింది రో రాములో రాములా నా పానం తీసింది రో
ఆ పక్క నాదే ఈ పక్క నాదే తలపైన ఆకాశం ముక్క నాదే తిప్పానా మీసమట సేతిలోన గొట్టలట సేసిందే ఉట్టమట సయ్యంతే సంధి అట ఏ బిడ్డ ఇది నా అడ్డ ఏ బిడ్డ ఇది నా అడ్డ ఏ బిడ్డ ఇది నా అడ్డ అరే ఏ బిడ్డ ఇది నా అడ్డ
జోడు కాలేజీ పాపసుడు ఎల్లారెడ్డి కూడా కడ ఆఫీసుడు ఎర్ర రోజా పువ్వు సేతికిచ్చి చూడు అందరి ముందు ఐ లవ్ యూ చెప్పి చూడు అరే పడితే లైన్ల పడతది లేకపోతే తిడతది పోత ఇచ్చత పోతది అది పోత ఇంకోతొస్తది
హీరో హోండా బండి బండి మీద పొరడు చూడు కూలింగ్ గ్లాస్ పెట్టి కటింగ్ ఇస్తాడాడు షారుఖ్ ఖాన్ లెక్క ప్రపోజ్ చేస్తాడాడు రిప్లై కోసం చెప్పులరగా తిరుగుతాడు అరే ఓకే అని అంటి మహా ఓయో గుర్రం అంటాడు ఒక్కసారి పడితి మహా లెక్క నన్న చెయ్యడు
ఓకే అని అంటే మా ఓయో గుర్రం అంటాడు ఒక్కసారి పడితే మా లెక్క నన్న చెయ్యడు
ఆ కుర్చీని మార్చబెట్టి
Guys, can we agree that this has been the most exhausting wedding ever?
More like a full-blown soap opera.
We should sell the rights. Murder at the Mundop, coming soon to a streaming service near you.
You guys are terrible. Hey, if we don't laugh, we'll cry, and I'm way too tired to cry tonight.
Yeah, maybe for one night we can forget about the fact that, you know.
Forget about the fact that there's a murderer walking around. Normal. Totally normal.
Yes, totally normal.
Jindu, do you just spawn out of nowhere?
That's what great detectives do. Also, I was in the curtain.
Why?
For dramatic effect.
Shouldn't you be with Pappu? You two are kind of inseparable.
Pappu? Oh, he's working on something. But he didn't say what.
Maybe he's the murderer.
What was that?
A sign.
A sign of what, Jindu? That Anya didn't pay the light bill?
Someone's grabbing my arm.
Jindu, this better not be another one of your dramatic moments.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Is he dead?
Oh my God, is he dead?
Someone in this house is messing with us.
Oh my God. We have to carry the body out.
Forget the murder. I'm about to die trying to lift this guy.
Guys, what is Pappu gonna say when he sees his best friend dead in your house with all of us in it?
We have to leave.
Stop! No one's leaving!
Now whatever you at, babe, you can make the whole room stare. But you know that my favorite is when you're rocking that this is way. Oh, tenu suit karda, oh tenu suit karda, tenu suit karda. Uni tu lagdi Punjaban, lagdi patola, lage ni tu saaryan to vakh ni. Tenu suit karda, oh tenu suit karda. चांदनी चौंक चित भाई जई पाईया पुछदे ने मुंडे दसो कुड़ी कित्थों आईया चांदनी चौंक चित भाई जई पाईया पुछदे ने मुंडे दसो कुड़ी कित्थों आईया बच्चा फिरे है नी बच्चा फिरे बच्चा तेरे उत्ते मरदा तेनू सूट करदा ओ तेनू सूट करदा तेनू सूट करदा
देखे झूठे मूठे पत्तियां बनाए कैसे सजना अनाड़ी देखे झूठे मूठे पत्तियां बनाए कैसे सजना अनाड़ी You say you want me as your lover, but tell me now, are you a player?
मुझ पे ऐसा जादू किया रे Loves the game I wanna play I am so seductive
कैसे बताऊं तुझे बात जिया की जानू मैं तो जानू सारी चाल पिया की चैन मेरा लूटे लूटे रतियां जगाए मुझे सजना अनाड़ी बेईमान
झुमका गिरा दे जो मिला ले अगर वो नजर से नजर मिटा दे नच के दिखा दे सबकी धड़कन भी कदम से कदम मिला दे तेरा सी चाल के जाल बिछा के दिल को यूं बेहाल बना दे सारे दीवाने माने न देखी कोई ऐसी girl देखी लख लख परदेसी girl ain't nobody like my देसी girl देखी लख लख परदेसी girl सब तो सोनी सादी देसी girl who's the hottest girl in the world झुमका लगाई के she rock your world
Y me preguntó si tengo muchas novias. Muchas novias, hoy tengo a una, mañana a otra. Me las voy a llevar a todas con VIP, un VIP. Ey, saluden a Titi, vamos a tirar un selfie. 6 chis, ey, que sonríen las pieles metidas. Un VIP, ey, saluden a Titi, vamos a tirar un selfie. 6 chis, que sonrían las que ya se olvidaron de mí. Me gusta mucho la cabeza.
तेरी आँखों का साहिल मैं तेरे दिल के ही काबिल तू मुसाफिर मैं तेरी मंजिल इश्क का दरिया है बहता डूब जा तुझसे है कहता आ मेरी बाहों में आके मिल ओ शराबी क्या शराबी दिल में जिसके रोल हो लुट गया समझो शराबी पास जिसके हम न हो ओ साकी साकी
Papu, it's not what it looks like.
Yeah, someone's messing with us.
That's for me to decide. Oh, Makasumaliu. Beneath lights at the grand affair, a cherished friend and cunning planner laced the lassie with a deadly snare, leaving whispered hints of foul play floating in midnight air. Who wrote this?
None of us.
Beneath lights at the grand affair. That's the wedding. A cherished friend and cunning planner. That sounds a lot like you.
What? I didn't do this. Why would I want to kill Ravi or Chintu?
It says cunning planner.
You're assuming too much, Pappu.
She's right. She was with us this entire time. She couldn't have done any of this.
I can't trust a word any of you guys say.
You know what? I have cameras in my house. We can check the footage and prove that we had nothing to do with this.
No. That's not necessary. I'll figure this out myself.
But that could end the search right now. Whoever killed Chintu must have killed Ravi too.
I said no. This is for me to figure out. Until then, you guys stay here. Leave. Leave this house immediately.
આ ગધેડો મારી ઘરની બહાર કાઢે છે.
Who killed?
કશું નહીં.
Forget this, guys. Let's go to my place. I'm done being part of this murder mystery.
सागरनी यारे ढोल भागे से मैं तो जो बनने आप्यूं मां घोड़ा रंगीली तारा नेणानो मने रंग लाग्यो जो बनने आप्यूं मां घोड़ा रंगीली तारा नेणानो मने रंग लाग्यो मित रंग मां कपड़ा घोड़ा रंगीला तारा नेणानो मने रंग लाग्यो मां कपड़ा घोड़ा रंगीला तारा नेणानो मने रंग लाग्यो हमने मार तारो तावो हे मारी दशा मानो तावो हे चसट जोगनी मोड़ा बरतार मारो हेलो सांभळो जी ओ जी रे मारो हेलो सांभळो जी हेलो मारो सांभळो ने रणुजा नाराय हेलो मारो सांभळो ने रणुजा नाराय हुकम करो तो तोळे जातरायो थाय मारो हेलो सांभळो ओ जी रे मारो हेलो सांभळो ओ जी अंबारे आवो जगदंबारे आवो आवो रे माड़ी पधारो अंबारे आवो जगदंबारे आवो आवो रे माड़ी पधारो गरबे ते रमवा जुए छे बाळ तारा माड़ी रे रमवाने आवो घोर अंधारी रे रातलड़ी मानिसऱ्या चारस
देखो चांद भी है आया झूमने, आया मस्ती में गोल गोल घूमने की आज रमझट है, रंगत है, सखियों की संगत है, मन में हरख न मायो जल से की आई रात रे। रंगीला मारा नाच, रंगीला मारा नाच, सवेर गाए साथ में, रंगीला मारा नाच।
उतारा करता जाओ, उतारो नहीं करो रे, मार गिर सीता डूबे वाले सीता एक लारे, डूबे राम लक्ष्मण दीवार।
परजापुर जो लाल ध्वजाड़ी, मंगलकारी ममताड़ी, ए पावगढ़ वाड़ी माँ काली मारी, कर जो मारी रखवाड़ी, ए आवो आवो अम्बे आवो, गरबे घूमी रंग जमावो, अम्बे आवो माँ पधारो, गरबे रमवा माँ पधारो जिरे, गरबे रमवा माँ पधारो जिरे, गरबे रमवा माँ पधारो। लेर करावे ए माड़ी मौज करावे, ए लेर करावे माड़ी मौज करावे, मारी अम्बे माँ मारी बहुचर माँ, मारी अम्बे माँ लीला लेर करावे, ए लेर करावे माड़ी मौज करावे, मारी मेलड़ी माँ ए मारी चेहर माँ, मारी मेलड़ी माँ लीला लेर करावे, लेर करावे माड़ी मौज करावे, मारी लेम्बोज माँ मारी मोमाई माँ ए मारी लेम्बोज माँ लीला लेर करावे।
जल में थल में सृष्टि सकल दर्शन
Priya, thank you so much for letting us crash here. I don't think I could have gone home after all of that.
Of course, after everything that happened, it's safer this way. At least we know none of us are the murderers.
But I just don't get it. Why would Papu refuse to check the CCTV footage?
Yeah, and did you see his face when we asked? He practically froze.
Yeah, he's definitely hiding something. But what?
There has to be something. Anything. We have to go to his house and check.
Check for what exactly?
Anything that can give us a reason as to why he's so invested in this case?
Guys, I dated Papu for 2 years. 2 whole years. And I've never been to his house before. He always had an excuse. His parents were out of town, his place was a mess, whatever. He's just not gonna let us walk in.
Wait, what? You've never been to his house before?
That's weird, like really weird.
And now I'm wondering, what has he been hiding?
Yeah, guys, if we need a distraction, we need a plan. We need to go to his house. One of us can meet up with him, and the rest of us can check his house.
Neha, you should call him. The rest of us will go in.
Papu, meet me at the mall tomorrow at 12. I have news about the murder.
But guys,
if we actually go through with this makes us real criminals.
Yeah, but I'd rather take that risk than go to sleep wondering what the hell he's hiding.
All right, tomorrow at 12, we execute the plan.
Murder at the Mandap!
गुजर जाने दे, तेरी लचक है कि जैसे डाली दिल में उतर जाने दे। आजा बाहों में करके बहाना, होना है तुझ में फना। चांद से बारिश जो करता हमारी, देता वो तुमको बता। शर्मो हया के पर्दे गिरा के करनी है हमको खता।
गिली 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 हाँ हा 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 गिली गिली माटी के चल घरौंदे बनाएंगे रे। हरी भरी अम्बी की डाली मिलके झूले झूलाएंगे रे। हो धन बैजू गजने हल जोते सबने, बैलों की घंटी बजी और ताल लगे भरने। रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली, रे तैर के चली मैं तो पार चली। पार वाले पार किनार चली रे मेरा नन्ना रे 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 नन्ना रे। पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा गपोरी पिंगा मला पिंग्यानी माला बोलवली रात घालवली पोरी पिंगा। लटपट लटपट कमर दामिनी अधर रागिनी मेरे
Wait, guys, we don't have much time. Let's look for something, anything that gives us a reason as to why Pappu's so invested in this case.
Yeah, but this place is a mess.
Who knew Pappu's room was this messy?
Wait, guys, look what I found.
Jintu's diary? Let's open it.
Is that Jintu's girlfriend?
Wait, focus. We need to find something relevant.
Wait, I found another riddle. The murderer is someone close who can charm you with a ring or a rose, but don't fall for their lies. The result won't be a prize. Why is everything in riddles? What does that even mean?
Wait, guys, so Jintu was the one who wrote the first note too?
He was trying to tell us something all along, but what?
Could Jintu have been trying to warn us? Maybe about someone who could charm you like Pappu?
You think it could be Pappu? I mean, he has all those flashy rings, but no, that doesn't make sense.
But what if he's the one? What if he's hiding in plain sight?
Wait, look here. Jintu wrote in his diary just a few days before his death. And he mentions how Pappu was the one worried about him. He even says Pappu was the one who wanted to protect him from the dangers lurking too close.
Wait, what? Now you're saying Pappu was trying to protect him?
Yeah, this, I don't know. If Pappu was the killer, he wouldn't want to warn Jintu. So I don't think this makes him the killer.
But it could be a double game. He could be trying to throw Jintu off his scent.
I don't buy it. If Pappu had something to hide, he wouldn't be that careless. He'd be more subtle.
Whoever did this is still out there, and we need to find out as soon as possible. Someone who could charm you with a ring or a rose.
But who's closer to Pappu than Jintu? Could it be someone we're overlooking?
Wait, guys, it's Neha.
What did she say?
She texted, help.
What?
We need to go now.
Riding harder than Hawaii, I'm on my back, I'm holding tight, want you to take me for a ride,
ओ मुंडा हुंदा धुप्पां विच टैन कुड़ीए नी तू कदे लाए नी अखियां तो शेड इत्थे जट पानी भी नहीं पौंदा सोहणीए तैनू तेरी दारू च पसंद है लेमनेड ओ मुंडा हुंदा धुप्पां विच टैन कुड़ीए नी तू कदे लाए नी अखियां तो शेड इत्थे जट पानी भी नहीं पौंदा सोहणीए तैनू तेरी दारू च पसंद है लेमनेड
पूछो मुझे क्या मिलेगा तेरी बाहों में आकर। ये इश्क हाय बैठे बिठाए जन्नत दिखाए हाँ ओ रामा ये इश्क हाय बैठे बिठाए जन्नत दिखाए हाँ। एक बस तू ही मेरी पहली पहली आरज़ू है, तू ही मेरी आखिरी तमन्ना। नाम बस तेरा मेरे दिल पे लिखा है, मेरी आंखों में बसा है तेरा सपना। Let's go। तुझे देखा मैंने हुआ मैं तो crazy, पापा मेरी कमी है तू sexy, आजा मेरी बाहों में तू आजा baby love me। I wanna boom bang bang with your body yo, we gonna rock it up before we take it slow, girl let me rock you like a rodeo, it's gonna be a country ride। I wanna boom bang bang with your body yo, we gonna rock it up before we take it slow, girl let me rock you like a rodeo, it's gonna be a country ride। Dance everybody, getting hot in the party, come on stop feeling, dance everybody। भंगड़े दी queen मैं था थोड़ी सो हसीन, मैं था मेरी है गजब गलबा। फिगर है का कैंट मेरा ठुमका एक्सीलेंट, मेरा ग्रूवी ग्रूवी हो जा मेरे साथ। भंगड़े दी queen मैं था थोड़ी सो हसीन, मैं था मेरी है गजब गलबा। फिगर है का कैंट मेरा ठुमका एक्सीलेंट, मेरा ग्रूवी ग्रूवी हो जा मेरे साथ।
नचांगे सारी रात सोनियो वे, नचांगे सारी रात सोनियो वे, कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार सोनियो वे, कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार। नचांगे सारी रात सोनियो वे, नचांगे सारी रात सोनियो वे, कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार सोनियो वे, कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार। दो पल की जो नींद उड़ी आ पूरे सारे ख्वाब करे, क्या करने हैं उम्रों के वादे, ये जो रहते हैं रहने दे आधे। दो बार नहीं एक बार सही, एक रात की कर ले तू यारी, सुबह तक मान के मेरी बात, तू ऐसे जोर से नाची आज, ये घुंघरू टूट गए, ये घुंघरू टूट गए।
छोड़ के सारे शर्म और नाच, मैं ऐसे जोर से नाची आज, ये घुंघरू टूट गए, ये घुंघरू टूट गए।
So, you told me you had news about the murder. I'm listening.
I do, but first, why did you refuse to check the CCTV footage?
Seriously, that's why you called me here?
Just answer the question, Pappu. Last time I asked, you froze.
Because I knew it wouldn't help. I already checked, it was gone.
But how do you know that?
Because before you guys came, I already checked. It was all gone, wiped clean.
But who would have done that?
Somebody who doesn't want us to find out the truth. What did you just do?
Nothing, just texting my mom.
Oh, small world, huh? You guys work here too?
You work here?
Gotta make a living, bro. Do you think I can survive just selling samosas at the dhaba? Anyways, can I help you with anything? We just got a new Lululemon scuba.
Yeah, Pappu needs to update his wardrobe.
Hey, why are you laughing? When was the last time you worked out?
Neha, what happened? Neha, are you okay?
Why did you text help?
I'm fine, but but Pappu refused to check the CCTV footage, but I think he knows who did the murder.
Oh my God, thank God you're okay. I thought he did something to you.
At the mall?
Oh, Priya, good thing you're here. I actually asked you something.
Okay.
So, I know things have been crazy lately, and so much is going on, but would you like to go to dinner?
Don't you think that's a little weird?
It's to talk about the investigation.
Okay, sure.
Can I come too?
Golu!
रास रचैया राधा न जाए रे, अब सावरा न भाए रे।
Radha on the dance floor, Radha likes to party, Radha likes to move that desi Radha body.
पलक पे आके सैया मरुड़ भैया,
And everybody puts it on Radha.
होगा वो लाखों दिल का चोर, हमका तो लगे बोर,
हुआ है ऐसी बावला जो कहता जाए।
ओ राधा तेरी चुनरी, ओ राधा तेरा छल्ला, ओ राधा तेरी नटखट नजरिया, ओ राधा तेरा झुमका, ओ राधा तेरा झुमका, हो पीछे पीछे सारी नगरिया। जो अपने बराबर हर बंदे की औकात नहीं है। अब कोई बढ़िया सा दुश्मन चाहिए, इनके बस की बात नहीं है। लैम्बो में बैठा मैं नाड़ा है लमका, नाइकी के जूते एलवी का गमछा, यार है सारे कोई सन चमचा, मसले हैं भारी हाथ है हल्का, ये टब में पड़े हैं उड़न खटोले, सीधा ऊपर उल्टा जो बोले, निकले शरीर से फुर फुर करती हुई फिर आत्मा।
मोरनी बागा माँ बोले आधी रात माँ, मोरनी बागा माँ बोले आधी रात माँ। घन घन घोड़ियाँ, घन घन घोड़ियाँ है चल गई देख रात माँ, घोड़ियाँ है चल गई रात माँ। मोरनी बागा माँ बोले आधी रात माँ।
So, I know things have been a little chaotic lately, so I figured we could use a distraction.
Dinner, Papu, while we're in the middle of a murder investigation?
Khao tu pada na?
This is so weird. Do you think he actually likes her?
Or maybe he's just trying to get information out of her, you know, soften her up.
I still don't trust him. What if it's all just an act?
Hello, sir, madam. What can I get for you tonight? May I recommend our chef special butter paneer, my personal favorite.
Golu, what are you doing here? We specifically told you not to join us.
I'm expanding my resume. Samosas at the dhaba weren't cutting it, and Lululemon didn't even give me a discount. So here I am at Curry Kurma, Spice Haven, and Tandoori Tales of Punjab.
Just get us 2 chicken biryanis and leave us alone.
I'm vegetarian. Thought you'd remember that after 2 years.
Oh, right. 2 paneer tikkas with naan coming right up. Women, you can never make them happy.
This is the most boring dinner I've ever been on.
Honestly, I think Bubba's in the clear. He hasn't done anything suspicious yet.
Yeah, maybe we should just leave. I feel like we're invading their privacy.
I also got you these.
Oh my God, what are these, Papu?
I figured I'd get you red roses.
Viaje, he removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी ना जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम ले लो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा. चाहत के दो पल भी दिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी गम है क्या, गम तो दबाओ खो जाए, भूले हम होगा गम है क्या. सेन्योरिटा सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या.
यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा, मैं तो आई जग तज के इश्क सिखा. मैं तो यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा, मैं तो आई जग तज के इश्क सिखा. लग यार गले ले सार मेरी, मुझे क्या परवाह इस दुनिया की. तू जीत मेरी जग हार मेरी, मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की.
दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा. तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा. Every time, every minute of the day, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा. तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा. सब कहते हैं भूल है, शादी में फिजूल है, फिर भी मैं तो करने हूँ चला. चाहे कोई रोक ले, चाहे मुझे टोक ले, बन के रहूंगा तेरा दूल्हा. जो भी मुझे करना है करता हूँ बोल के, यार मेरी किंग जैसी अंधी है ढोल पे. धूम धूम धड़ाका कुछ पटाका, खुद की शादी में हुल्लड़ मचाऊंगा. उड़ी उड़ी में आना सिस्टम पुराना, तुझे बुलेट पे उड़ा के ले जाऊंगा. धूम धूम धड़ाका कुछ पटाका, खुद की शादी में हुल्लड़ मचाऊंगा. जम के देसी बॉय इंग्लिश ठुमके दिल की रिदम पे मारे जम जम के देसी बॉय सोने मोने बन के छाती डोले तन के नाचे जम जम के देसी बॉय Oi, 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 oi. É pra quebrar com duro, vamos dançar com duro. Oi, 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 oi. Seja moreno, loira, vem balançar com duro. Oi, oi, oi. Tere प्यार में दिल चाहता है बस भीगे तेरे प्यार में दुआ मांगता है बस भीगे 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 mano arriba cintura sola dame media vuelta danza con duro no te canses ahora que esto solo empieza mueve la cabeza danza con duro Girl, your body so hot, hot. Ishq tera so hot, hot. Show me what you got. The way you move and you got me losing it. Girl, your body so hot, hot. Ishq tera so hot, hot. Just show me what you got. The way you move and you got me losing it.
जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना
जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आज जिंदगी में आना सनम
Me not working hard, yeah right, picture that with a Kodak. Or better yet, go to Times Square, take a picture of me with a Kodak. Took my life from negative to positive, I just want y'all to know that. And tonight, let's enjoy life. Pitbull, Naya, Neo.
मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों खुद की भी सुन ले कभी कुछ बात गलत भी हो जाए कुछ तेरी ये दिल भी खो जाए बेफिक्र धड़कने इस तरह से चले शोर गूंजे यहाँ से वहाँ सूरज डूबा है यारो तो घुट नशे के मारो रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के सूरज डूबा है यारो तो घुट नशे के मारो दम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के
And I will love you until you learn to love yourself. Girl, let me love you. I know you're trouble. Don't be afraid. Girl, let me help.
We knew it was you. What are you guys doing here?
That doesn't matter. We know the murderer is Pappu.
Whoa, how can you prove that?
We went to your house. There we found Chintu's diary. And there he said, whoever the murderer is will give you roses or a ring.
Seriously? You're gonna base this off a book?
That's not all. Who else except a detective would have access to the CCTV footage? Also convenient for you to wipe it clean.
You think you know everything, don't you?
What are you talking about? We have all the evidence.
Fine. I didn't want it to get to this. Ravi got in the way. I didn't want it to be a threat to us.
What does Ravi have to do with any of this?
I couldn't stand you and Ravi. And Chintu, he was connecting the dots.
This is insane.
Chintu started digging too deep, so I had to do what I had to do. You gotta keep an eye out on things.
You weren't the only one keeping an eye out on things, Pappu.
What the hell is going on?
I'm an undercover cop. Chintu tried to reach out to me a few days ago. Said he'd uncovered something big. He was trying to take down the real murderer before it was too late. But Pappu, you made sure it was too late for him.
No, this can't be happening.
You thought you could get away with this, didn't you? You're under arrest for the murder of Chintu and Ravi. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
Get off of me, Govardhan!
I don't need to work out to catch you. But if you keep resisting, I might just burn off the samosa that I ate earlier.
What just happened?
Guys, I'm so tired of this.
At least now we can stop searching.
Yeah, I'm so happy our talash is over.
तू जाना ना पिया मेरा तेरे बिना कोई ना यहाँ ये दिल कह रहा तू जाना ना पिया छोटी सी उम्र से सब देगा अब मुझे ना जाए ना तू आजा तुमसे किरण धूप की तुमसे सिया रात है तुम पे मैं दिल बात नहीं छुपाते करती है जब तो आंख से इशारे आंखों आंखों में जो प्यार से पुकारे मुझे कहने दे साथ तेरे रहने दे ओ चल बैठे चल दरिया किनारे यहाँ दिखाऊं तुझे प्यार के नजारे मुझे कहने दे साथ तेरे रहने दे ओ जो किया एक तू रोग है मेरा दिल हो गया रोग यार तू ही रोग है मेरा मन जो किया एक तू ही रोग है मेरा दिल हो गया रोग यार तू ही रोग है मेरा तू ही मेरी राह कोई नहीं है तेरे तो बिना कहानियाँ मैं दिल जानिया तू नेड़े नेड़े है ना दूर कितने जा
Now presenting our 2024-2025 Executive Board, historian Anika Arora.
मेरा दिल सैंबदा कहंदी मैनू मेरे कोलों हथ जा छड़ा के हुण जानदे हो गए 9:45 होए होए नी तू सोनी बाली करदा दिल मिलन नू काली कातों तू डरदी कुड़िए ला लई मेरे नाल जे यारी होए होए नी तू सोनी
Publicist Ved Patel.
You know it's this. Take a perk and a toke and see. Money swallowed like sis. They done perfecting a kid. Got a Billy Mosaic on my hater to be better. Put up the road, I just spent. I know we got $1 million and double that shit and I triple it again. Playlist.
Treasurer Mahi Patel.
This is the future, man.
No, like gift ones. Secretary Jay Shah.
I will ride out of business and more cash. I went robbery on robbery, we gon' spend. I can go back and forth with your bro. Hold on, wait, matter of fact, where your at? On the block with a pound and stove ass. I just left from the club trying to go back.
Vice President Preeti Patel.
I found you, girl, I like being around you. Feel like Kanye, I'm bound to. Shawty, if you down, I'm down to. Yeah, I found you, girl, I like being around you. Feel like Kanye, I'm bound to. Shawty, if you down, I'm down to.
And finally, our president, Nikki Patel.
Is she the mic?
No me canse ahora, esto solo empieza. Mueve la cabeza, lanza duro, la mano arriba.
Did you guys enjoy the show? Before we end off tonight, we just wanted to say a few quick things. First off, we want to take a moment to express our heartfelt thanks to a few important people who made this event possible. A huge thank you to the custodians for staying late and helping with all the cleaning. We really appreciate your hard work. We'd also like to thank Mr. Nichols and everyone helping him with the audio, lights, and microphones. Your support made everything run smoothly. A special thanks to the Board of Education for their ongoing support for our club. We are grateful for Mr. Keegan and Dr. Thompson for allowing us the opportunity to have the show and supporting us every step of the way. And of course, thank you to our families and friends for their love and support. Finally, a big round of applause for all the club members. Your dedication and effort made the show a success.
We'd now like to give flowers to our choreographers who worked so hard to make this show day possible. We're so grateful for the passion and creativity you guys put into this showcase. Your dedication not only shaped our dances, but also made this entire performance an experience to remember. So first, we'd like to give flowers to Leon Dia for Jolie. Next, we'd like to give flowers to Divya and Vedika for semi, classical. Then we'd like to give flowers to Satya and Harini for South Indian. Finally, for Gerba, Krisha, Krishna, and Hetvi. Let's give them all a big round of applause for their incredible work and commitment. So before we end tonight, we want to give a huge thank you to the two people who made all of this possible, our amazing advisors, Ms. Jala and Ms. Desai. This show would not have been possible without their constant support and guidance. From the very beginning, they made sure every dance ran smoothly, and when any challenges came up, they were always there with the solution.
They were organized, making sure we were well prepared in advance so there wouldn't be any issues the day of the show. Their dedication and hard work made all the difference, and we truly couldn't have done it without them. They've been the best teachers to work with and have made this experience unforgettable for all of us. Thank you, Ms. Jala and Ms. Desai, for everything you've done for us, and we're so grateful for all your time, effort, and support.
Teammates, yeah. Right, she's gonna start. I'm gonna start and then she's gonna end. Our members did a fantastic job this year, and we are all so lucky to be able to put on such a fun show for you all.
At this time, we would also like to present the Member of the Year award to a student who stood out throughout the school year in ICC. This student was there to lend a helping hand whenever needed and showcase significant involvement and dedication to our club. We thank you for all of your hard work and efforts. Nisva Patel, please come up to accept your award.
Thank you all once again for being a part of tonight's event. We hope you enjoyed the show. Have a great night.